Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to disable media auto download on Signal Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Signal Messenger app and tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on settings, tap on data and storage, and inside of this media auto download section you will find these two options here: using mobile data and another is using when using Wi-Fi. So if you want to turn off auto download when you are using mobile data, then tap on this first option and deselect all this option from here and tap on OK. And if you want to turn off or disable media auto download for both Wi-Fi and mobile data, then tap on the second option and disable this option and tap on OK. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.